The 2025 Lamborghini Baby Stroller redefines luxury and performance in the world of premium strollers, offering a blend of high-end materials, advanced engineering, and iconic design. Crafted for parents who appreciate the Lamborghini brand's exclusivity. This stroller stands out with its futuristic aesthetics, high-quality construction, and state-of-the-art features. At first glance, the stroller immediately captures attention with its aerodynamic frame, reminiscent of Lamborghini's signature supercars. The sleek design is complemented by carbon fiber accents, a lightweight aluminum chassis, and a premium leather-wrapped handlebar, ensuring a refined look and superior durability. The Lamborghini emblem, carefully embossed on the canopy and seat, adds a touch of exclusivity, making it an instant status symbol. Performance is at the core of this luxury stroller, mirroring Lamborghini's automotive excellence. The suspension system is engineered for a smooth ride, absorbing shocks effortlessly on various terrains. Equipped with precision steering, the stroller glides seamlessly, making it easy to maneuver through urban streets, shopping malls, or parks. The wheels, inspired by Lamborghini's alloy rims, provide excellent traction and stability, ensuring a comfortable experience for both parent and child. Comfort is a priority, with a plush, ergonomically designed seat that offers ample support for infants and toddlers. The seat reclines in multiple positions, catering to different comfort levels, whether the child is sitting up to explore the world or lying down for a nap. The breathable, soft-touch fabric ensures a cozy experience, while the 5-point safety harness keeps the child secure without compromising on comfort. The adjustable footrest adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing customization as the child grows. Technology plays a key role in enhancing the functionality of this premium stroller. A built-in digital display on the handle provides essential metrics such as temperature, air quality, and stroller speed. This innovative feature helps parents stay informed and ensures an optimal environment for the child. Additionally, integrated LED lighting on the frame improves visibility during evening strolls, combining safety with style. The stroller is also compatible with a dedicated mobile app, allowing parents to track usage statistics and receive maintenance alerts. Practicality meets luxury with a spacious under-seat storage compartment, perfect for carrying essentials like diapers, bottles, and personal items. The stroller's folding mechanism is designed for convenience, enabling a quick and effortless collapse into a compact form for easy storage or transport. A hands-free automatic folding option is available, using a button or voice command via the Lamborghini app, making it ideal for parents who are constantly on the go. Safety is a crucial aspect of this stroller's design. The advanced braking system ensures instant stopping power with a gentle push, offering peace of mind in busy environments. The frame is reinforced for enhanced durability, protecting the child in any situation. The canopy is crafted from UV-protective, water-resistant material, shielding the child from harsh weather conditions while maintaining a stylish appearance. Customization options further elevate the exclusivity of the 2025 Lamborghini Baby Stroller. Parents can choose from a range of Lamborghini-inspired colors, including Verde Mantis, Arancio Borealis, and Giallo Evros, reflecting the brand's bold personality. Special edition models with Alcantara upholstery and personalized nameplates add a bespoke touch for those seeking ultimate personalization. Despite its ultra-premium price tag, the 2025 Lamborghini Baby Stroller delivers unmatched luxury, performance, and innovation. Designed for parents who refuse to compromise on style, comfort, or functionality, it stands as a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to excellence beyond the automotive world. Combining cutting-edge technology, impeccable craftsmanship, and iconic aesthetics, this stroller is more than just a baby accessory. It is a statement of prestige and sophistication,